Sometimes you're my anomaly, and I'd choose you in 100 lifetimes. I'd choose you in 100 worlds. I'd find you, and I'd say I do for the rest of my life. With all that I have, I do, and I will when the sky is falling. I promise you I'm all in, no turning back. And every day, every moment, every breath you take, I choose you. This is more than just a wedding. This is etched into eternity. With our union, we will move mountains. We will live on our knees, 'cause he'd choose us in 100 lifetimes. He'd choose us in 100 worlds. He'd find us, and we'd say we do for the rest of our lives. With all that we have, we do, and we will when the sky turns black and he comes back riding on the clouds. Every day and every moment, every breath we take, we choose you. Look into my eyes, dear. Look into my eyes, dear. 'Cause this is where it starts. Yes, this is where it starts. I'll give you my whole heart for my whole life. I'll give you my whole heart for my whole life. And this is where it starts. And I'll say I do for the rest of my life. With all that I have, I do, and I will when the sky is falling. I promise you I'm all in, no turning back. And every day, every moment, and every breath you take, I choose you.
I've been running all my days, and all my troubles have found a better way. I've been trying to clear my head of all the useless words I never said. But oh, let's slow it down. Look at what we found. Hope is yours to take. Joy is what we make. Carried by sinners, lost at sea. Peace is found in grace. I've been searching day by day to find my way in this valley of mistakes. When I let go, I find my hope in the peace that surpasses all I know. Hope is yours to take. Joy is what we make. Carried by sinners, lost at
Like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification button. Hey yo, we always up to something.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.